Leatherback sea turtle. It has a soft, ridged, dark back. It lives in open oceans worldwide. It dives very deep to find jellyfish. Green sea turtle. It has a smooth shell and round face. It lives near seagrass meadows. It nibbles seagrass and helps it grow. Hawksbill turtle. It has a sharp, curved beak. It lives on tropical coral reefs. It eats sponges with its narrow mouth. Loggerhead turtle. It has a big head and strong jaws. It lives in warm oceans. It cracks crabs and clams for meals. Dugong. It has a round body and paddle tail. It lives in shallow tropical bays. It grazes gently on seagrass beds. Sperm whale. It has a huge square head. It lives in deep oceans. It dives long distances to hunt squid. Fin whale. It has a sleek, streamlined body. It lives in cold and temperate seas. It is very fast when traveling. Minke whale. It is small for a whale. It lives in many oceans. It pops up quietly to breathe. Gray whale. It has mottled skin with barnacles. It lives in North Pacific waters. It makes long migrations each year. Pilot whale. It has a rounded forehead. It lives in family groups offshore. It cares for calves within the pod. Harbor porpoise. It has a short snout and small fin. It lives near cool coastlines. It is shy and swims quietly. California sea lion. It has sleek fur and whiskers. It lives on rocky coasts. It barks loudly when resting together. Northern fur seal. It has thick, soft fur. It lives in cold northern oceans. It rests on islands during summer. Elephant seal. It has a large inflatable nose. It lives around subantarctic islands. It molts on beaches each year. Sea otter. It has thick fur and nimble paws. It lives in kelp forests. It uses stones to open shells. Olive sea snake. It has smooth scales and paddle tail. It lives in warm coral seas. It comes to surface to breathe air. Marine iguana. It has dark skin and spiky crest. It lives on rocky Galapagos shores. It swims to graze on algae. Saltwater crocodile. It has strong jaws and armored back. It lives in estuaries and coasts. It drifts quietly with the tide, flying fish. It has long fins like wings. It lives in warm, open seas. It glides above waves to escape. Barracuda. It has a long body and pointed snout. It lives near reefs and wrecks. It waits still, then darts quickly. Mahi-mahi. It has bright green and gold colors. It lives in tropical open waters. It chases fast schools of fish.